Do you know what is vibration? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, meet again with me, Ustaz Daya, and in this video we are going to talk about vibration. And in the end of this video, I hope that you are able to describe how vibration is produced. Many examples of vibration that we can find in daily. For examples are guitar and then clock. So, from these examples, can you guess what is vibration here? Okay, good. Vibration is a periodic motion in which an object moves back and forth repeatedly about the equilibrium position. And in the other way, we can call oscillation. To make it clearer, let's look at this picture of pendulum. A complete cycle or one vibration occurs when a pendulum swings from point A, B, C, D, and back to A again. And when the pendulum moves back and forth, it has displacement here. The maximum displacement of an object from its equilibrium position is called amplitude. Okay class, after we are talking about the definition of vibration, one vibration and the amplitude. Okay, now let's back to this picture of the pendulum. Here we are going to talk about the period. What is period? The period is defined as the time taken from one complete vibration, and the symbol of the period is alphabet T. Now, look at this example.
So, when there are n vibrations in t seconds, period t is alphabet T equal to small t divided by n. For example, a pendulum make 100 oscillation in 25 seconds. So, what about the period of this pendulum? From this problem, we know that the number of the oscillation is 100 and the time is 25 seconds. So, here we can write that n equal to 100 and t equal to 25 seconds. And to find the period of this pendulum, we use the formula of alphabet T equal to small t divided by n. And from the calculation, we know that the period of this pendulum is 0.25 seconds. It means that this pendulum needs 0.25 seconds to do one vibration. Okay. Now let's back to the picture of this pendulum. From this picture, we know that this pendulum makes several vibrations in 1 second. And the number of complete vibration in 1 second is called frequency. And the symbol of frequency is small f. The international unit of frequency is hertz. And a frequency of 1 hertz is 1 vibration per second. And here the formula of frequency is small f equal to 1 per t. Here t is the period of the pendulum. To make it clearer, please look at the following example. Here we still use the previous problem. A pendulum make 100 oscillation in 25 seconds. So, what about the frequency of this pendulum? To find the frequency of this pendulum, we use the formula small f equal to 1 divided by alphabet T. And at that time, we have done to find the period of this pendulum, and we get 0.25 seconds. And from the calculation, here we get that this pendulum has frequency 4 Hz. It means that during 1 second it makes 4 vibrations. Now, let's check this problem out. A pendulum makes 150 oscillations in 30 seconds. So, what about the period and frequency of this pendulum? Later, if your answer is correct, you will find the period is 0.2 second and the frequency is 5 Hz. Okay class, we have talked about some point in this video. The first we have talked about the definition of vibration, and the next is one vibration, amplitude, period, and the last is frequency. And in the next video we will learn about the waves. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.